Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Open your book, page number 42. Unit number 5, Matter and its states. Anything that has weight and takes up space is called matter. कोई भी चीज़ जो कि वज़न रखती हो और जगह घेरती हो उसे हम मैटर कहते हैं. Now page number 43. Matter. There are many different kinds of things in the world. They are of different shapes, size and colors. Some are hard, some are soft and some warm and some are cold. They may be wet or dry, rough or smooth. All these things look and feel different from each other. All things in the world have weight and take up space. Anything that takes up space and has a weight is called matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. मैटर जो है वो बहुत ही टाइनी पार्टिकल से मिलके बने हुए थे, इसको हम एटम्स कहते हैं. there are millions and millions of atoms in a tiny grain of sand. States of matters can be found in three forms or states. The state of matter depends on arrangement of its particles and also on the amount of space between them. Matter can be in solid forms, in liquid और in the form of gas. ये सख्त भी हो सकती हैं, पानी की शक्ल में भी हो सकती हैं और हवा में गैस की सूरत में भी मौजूद हो सकती हैं. A rock is solid, water is liquid and oxygen is gas. एक चट्टान जो है वो सॉलिड की मिसाल है, पानी लिक्विड की मिसाल है और ऑक्सीजन गैस जिसके ज़रिए हम सांस लेते हैं वो एक गैस की मिसाल. सॉलिड. सबसे पहले हम सॉलिड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. इन अ सॉलिड द पार्टिकल्स आर क्लोज टुगेदर. इसमें पार्टिकल्स जो हैं वो जुड़े हुए होते हैं. यहाँ आपको डायग्राम में नज़र भी आ रहा होगा कि पार्टिकल्स जो हैं वो जुड़े हुए हैं. दे आर लिंक टू ईच अदर एंड आर अरेंज रेगुलरली. ये एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए होते हैं. Therefore, a solid has a fixed volume and fixed shape. Solid की fixed volume और fixed shape होती है. जैसे कि आप चेयर्स पे बैठते हैं तो वो भी solid से बनी हुई है. आपकी वॉल यानी दीवार, दरवाज़ा, ये solid से मिलकर बने हैं. Liquid. In a liquid, the particles are close together but they are slide over another. ये liquid की मिसाल है. इसमें particles जो हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ slide की सूरत में मौजूद होते हैं. Within a certain limit. Therefore, the liquid has no fixed shape but it does have fixed volume. A liquid can flow and it takes the shape of vessel it is poured into. The surface of the liquid is always level. आगे gases. There are bigger spaces between the particles in the gas and between those in the liquid. They are not linked and can move freely in all directions. For this reason, a gas has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Now come on page number 44. Matter can change its state. Substance remains solid, liquid or gas at certain temperature. If they are heated or cooled, they can change from. For example, when ice is cold, a solid, is heated, it changes to water, a liquid. When water is heated, it changes to water vapor, a gas. How a change in state occurs? Heating makes the particles in a substance move faster and knock each other further apart as they begin to move around freely. A change of state occurs. For example, when a solid such as ice is heated, its particles begin to move faster. Eventually, they move so fast that they can move away from each other. As they begin to move around more freely, the ice melts. It changes to liquid water and no longer has fixed shape. When a liquid such as water is heated, its particles move faster from the particles knock each other so far apart that they form bubbles inside the liquid. These bubbles rise to the surface of the liquid and escape into the air. They form the gas water vapors. Melting. If you heat a solid, the particles begin to move faster. They have a lot of energy. They hit against each other and begin to move apart. When this happens, the solid melts into a liquid. Its temperature, which a solid changes into a liquid, is called the melting point. Freezing. When water is put into a freezer, it cools down. The particles lose energy and They slow down. They move closer to each other and the liquid freezes to become a solid ice. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Boiling. When the water is heated, bubbles appears on its surface and begins to boil. The temperature at which liquid boils is called boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 डिग्री सी. ये आपको साइड डायग्राम नज़र आ रही होगी. वाटर जो है वो 100 डिग्री सी पे बॉयल कर. Evaporation. Liquid water changes into the gas water vapors. This can happen even without boiling. If you leave some water in an uncovered pan, it slowly changes into water vapors. Finally, the pan becomes dry. This change from a liquid to gas is called evaporation. Condensation. Put some ice cubes in a glass. You will see the drops of water from the outside of the glass. This happens because water vapors in the air changes into water droplets. When it touches a cold surface, this changes to water vapors or gas into liquid is called condensation. Again, mixture. A mixture contains more than one substance. It is not a pure substance. Air is mixture of many gases. Coffee is mixture of water, sugar and coffee beans. Now come on page number 46. Ice cream is a mixture of milk, sugar and cream. A fizzy drink is a mixture of water, sugar and carbon dioxide gas. Coins are made up of different metals mixed together. Kinds of mixture. सबसे पहले है solution. When we mix sugar and water, the mixture is clear. We cannot see the sugar into the water. The mixture is called solution. We cannot see the sugar because it has mixed with the water. The sugar has dissolved in the water. In a solution of sugar and water, the sugar is called the solute and the water is called the solvent. We say that sugar is soluble in water. Salt is also soluble in water. Sugar and salt are more soluble in hot water than in cold water. This means that more sugar or salt will dissolve in hot water than in cold water. Next, suspension. Some substances are not soluble in water. We say that they are insoluble. They do not dissolve in water. Sand and chalk are also insoluble in water. If you add some powdered chalk into a glass of water and shake it, you will see white specks in the water. The chalk is insoluble in the water. It has not dissolved in the water. We call this mixture suspension. Emulsion. Add some cooking oil into the glass of water and shake it. You will see that the water becomes cloudy. Oil is not soluble in water. Oil and water do not mix properly. We call this type of mixture an emulsion. Now come on page number 47. If you leave the emulsion on the shelf for some time, you will see that the oil comes on the top of the water. Alloy. All the mixtures of different metals is called an alloy. Coins and cooking pots are made of alloys. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc metals. Bronze is an alloy of metal, copper and tin. For examples of alloys: brass, copper or bronze. Separating mixture. There are many ways of separating mixture: by filtering or by evaporation. By evaporating. First हम पढ़ेंगे filtering. Filtering is a way of separate solid from a liquid. Sand can be separated from water by filtering the mixture through a filter paper. The water will pass through but the sand will be left on the filter paper. वाटर जो है वो पास हो जाएगा और सैंड जो है वो फिल्टर पेपर पे बच जाएगी. By evaporating, salt can be separated from water. By heating the solution, the water will evaporate from the solution and the salt will be left behind. Now come on page number 48. By stirring with a magnet, a mixture of sand and iron fillings can be separated by stirring the mixture with a magnet. The iron filling will stick on the magnet and the sand will be left behind. By adding water, a mixture of colored substance in black ink can be separated by adding water to it. By descentation, insoluble solid can be separated from a liquid by pouring off the clear liquid from the top of the mixture. The process is called descentration. The soluble substance will remain at the bottom of the vessel. यहाँ तक आपने रीडिंग करनी है. अगर आपको इसमें से किसी बात की समझ नहीं आती तो आप जो है वो एडमिन के ऑफिशियल नंबर पर रब्ता कर सकते हैं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्व्स.